Ah, they have kitchen, sweetheart.
Yeah.
They can cook.
Yeah, that's what they're hoping for.
Ah, yeah, it's nice one. This one is the common seat. Pwede naman siya. Okay. We have. Ah, this one is the living room. Living.
Two bedroom?
2 bedroom.
Ah, this one.
And also 2 bathrooms are inside the room.
Oh.
The one. And 2 balcony also.
Yeah. There's a bathroom back there too.
Yeah. We have a bathtub in the 1 bathroom.
This is nice.
That's nice directly sa tayo.